What if I told you there is a career where you can earn 1 lakh or more every month, even if you don't have a degree from IIT, even if you have never coded before, and you can work from your laptop anywhere in the world? This is not some get rich quick scam. This is called data analytics, and in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly what it is, why companies pay so much for it, and how you can start from zero. So, let's discuss the overall structure we are covering in this video. The problem, what data analytics do, why demand is so high, skills you need, how to start, salary and growth scope. So, the problem. Every day, companies collect a mountains of data, sales numbers, customer reviews, social media clicks, website visits. But here is the problem, most of them have no idea how to make sense of it. That's like having a gold mine in your backyard but not knowing how to dig. And that's where data analytics step in. They turn raw numbers in answers that help companies make more money. What a data analytics does. What a data analyst does. Think of a data analyst as a detective. Instead of chasing criminals, you are chasing patterns. For example, imagine an online store is losing customers. You check the data and see most complaints are about slow delivery. You tell the company, they fix it, and boom, sales go back up. Your job is to ask the right questions, find answers in the data, and explain it clearly to decision makers. Why demand is so high? In the digital age, data is the new oil. From Netflix recommending shows to Amazon suggesting products to banks spotting fraud. It's all powered by data analytics. LinkedIn says data analytics is one of the top 3 fastest growing career worldwide. And here is the kicker. There are more job openings than qualified people. That means companies are ready to pay a premium if you have the skills. The skill you need. Here is the good news. You don't need to master 100 things. You need Excel, SQL, Python, data visualization, communication. So, Excel for organizing and analyzing data, SQL for talking to databases, Python for deeper analysis and automation, data visualization, turning data into charts people can understand, and communication, explaining results in simple language. How to start step by step. So, step 1, learn basics. Start with Excel, then SQL, and then Python. You can learn from free YouTube videos. There are many videos you can watch in YouTube. Practice on real data. Use free datasets from Kaggle or Google Dataset Search. Step 3, build a portfolio. So, there are some steps you can follow to start the learning. Step 1, learn basics. Start with Excel, then SQL, then Python. You can learn for free from YouTube as well. There are many videos you will find there in YouTube. Step 2, practice on real data. Use free datasets from Kaggle or Google Dataset Search. Step 3, build a portfolio. Upload your projects to GitHub. Step 4, apply smart. Use LinkedIn for networking, Internsala for internships, and Upwork or Fiverr for freelance projects. And remember, don't wait until you are perfect. Start applying when you have done 2 to 3 projects. So this will increase your experience as well as the chances of your selection. Okay, the next one is salary and growth scope. Freshers in India usually start at 4 to 6 lakh per year. With 3 to 4 years of experience, 15 to 20 lakh per year is common. Freelancers can charge 500 to 2000 per hour. That's 4000 to 60,000 for a single day's work. So you can imagine how much benefit you can take. Remember, data analytics is not just a job, it's a future proof skill. Whether you are a student, a fresher, or even someone switching careers, this field has space for you. So start today, open YouTube, watch a beginner scale Excel tutorial, and take the first step. Because the only thing between you and your first 1 lakh month is starting now. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe this video.